Hi people, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'll be teaching you how to make beautiful ring donuts. First things first, to get your mixer bowl, I'll be using a table mixer to combine this. So I added my flour. Please check the description for the recipe I used. After the flour is my sugar. After the sugar is my yeast, my dry instant yeast. Ensure your yeast is instant. Next is my margarine. After the margarine, I'll be adding my eggs. I use 2 eggs for this particular recipe. Next is milk, water, and after that is my milk flavor. This is the flavor I used. After that, I set it back into my mixer stand. Then I put the dough hook. If you want to knead, this is the particular hook you're going to use and not the batter hook. Afterwards, I bring it down. Then I set it at the first level so that it doesn't need to splash. If you put it on high speed, you may have this flour in the bowl may splash all over this place. So you start gradually to combine this until this dry flour or ingredients come together before you can now, increase the level or the speed at which the dough rotates. You can see it's gradually coming together. You need this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Please do not exceed 20 minutes if you're using a mixer. After that, you're going to notice that the bowl is clean. If it's properly kneaded, the bowl is going to come out very clean. After that, I dust my work surface. The essence of dusting is to allow you work freely so that the dough do not have to stick on your working surface. You conduct your window pane test. This test is to ensure that your dough is properly kneaded, and at this point you can now work with it. It will be very easy to work with it. I have my rolling pin. I'm using it to roll out or flatten out my dough before I proceed to use my cutter to cut out the desired shape. Please, while you're rolling, ensure it's not too thick or too thin, just whichever height you want your donut to be. If you want it super thick, it's fine, but I like it intermediate or moderately so that it can rise and not, go out of shape. After I roll out, I'm going to use my donut cutter. This donut cutter is very, very useful. If you make donuts without donut cutter, it's going to be very stressful. It's quite easy to, use, and the shape is not going to go out of shape. I'm going to repeat this process until I have exhausted all my dough. So guys, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. I do my best to upload a minimum of 3 to 5 videos every week. Minimum of 3 videos weekly. I can do up to 5 videos weekly. Please engage with my videos, comment, give me a thumbs up, like my video, and as well share on your social media handles: Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram. I repeat this process until I've exhausted all my batter. Look, that dough in the middle, you can decide to fry it that way. However, I'm just keeping them aside because at the end of the day, I'm going to bring it together and still make a dough not out of it. A little cleanup. I set my dough aside for it to rise for between 45 to 60 minutes. This will give it room for it to proof properly. After that required time, I pour in oil in my frying pan. I'm going to allow my oil to heat up a little bit. Please do not use oil that is very hot. Just once it heats up a little bit, please. Then you add in your cut out doughnut. Allow it to fry on its own. It's going to take some time. It's not going to absorb oil. Just leave it there. So when it browns to your desired color, you just give it a flip and allow the other side to brown. Fry to your desired color, whether light brown, golden brown. Guys, take a look at my color, golden brown. Take a look at how beautiful it's looking. This donut is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Guys, this recipe is fail proof. This recipe is beautiful. Just watch the video to the end. Follow the rules, the tips, the tricks. If you knead your dough properly, handling, cutting, proofing, frying your dough, it's not going to be difficult for you. This donut tasted really amazing. I love the outcome. The color is popping. Take a look at the end result. Don't you like what you see? The lines are there, the dough is well risen, and it tasted amazing. This recipe is the perfect recipe that you need to get your donuts. Guys, one thing I want to tell you is that it doesn't mean you must turn it to ring donuts. You can turn it to any desired shape that you want. Next, I'm going to pour in some sugar because what is donut without sugar? That is why you need a good recipe. This is a beautiful outcome. So until my next vlog, thank you for watching. Bye.